The Montreal police has just arrested Mr. Robert Miller.
It's 21 different charges that were authorized by the Crown prosecutors, all pertaining to sexual assault.
Montreal police say tech billionaire Robert Miller, founder of the company Future Electronics, has been arrested and charged with sex crimes involving 10 victims, some of which were minors. The alleged offenses are reported to have taken place between 1994 and 2016. As the investigation continues, SPVM Inspector David Shane is encouraging other possible victims to come forward.
In 2008 and 2009, we did conduct a very thorough investigation, and we gave all the reports, all the conclusions to the Crown prosecutors. Unfortunately, at that time, no charges were authorized. In February 2023, the Crown prosecutors and the Montreal police called upon any new victim, any witness. We did submit a new case with all this new information, and this time it worked.
The 80-year-old was arrested Thursday by investigators from the SPVM Sexual Exploitation Unit at his home in Westmount. The offenses against Miller include sexual assault and interference, obtaining sexual services for consideration, sexual exploitation, and inducing prostitution, among others.
The Crown prosecutor did authorize all these charges, and the investigation is still continuing. So it's not over. It's still possible that we'll have other developments in this case.
In a press release, Miller's camp said the clear motivation behind this whole case is easy financial gain at his expense. Mr. Miller deplores the fact that the Director of Criminal and Penal Prosecutions, or DPCP, chose to initiate proceedings against him, notwithstanding its knowledge that his state of health prevents him from defending himself. Despite this, Mr. Miller will vigorously protect his reputation, fight for the truth, and refute these false allegations.
Our sole purpose is to serve the victims. That's why we're here. That's why we called the press conference today. First is to make sure that these types of suspects don't make other victims, but also it's justice. So the police is part of the justice system with the Crown prosecutors, and we want alleged victims to feel safe, to feel reassured that they can trust the legal system, and this is a good example that it works.
The former chairman and CEO of Future Electronics was released but is set to appear in court on July 3rd. In Montreal, Anastasia Dextrene, City News.